Discover the amazing powers of Paud arco. Join me as I dive deep into the world of Paud arco and challenge myself to uncover its amazing powers. Will it live up to the hype? Paud arco is a remarkable plant that has been utilized for centuries in traditional medicine, and its medicinal properties have been touted as nothing short of miraculous. From ancient civilizations to modern-day herbalists, this plant has been revered for its potential to heal and transform. But what exactly makes Paud arco so special? Let's take a closer look. We live in a world where stress, anxiety, and chronic illness are becoming the norm. It's no wonder people are turning to natural remedies in search of a healthier, more balanced lifestyle. Conventional medicine often falls short in providing lasting solutions, leaving many feeling frustrated and disillusioned. As a result, we're seeing a resurgence of interest in ancient wisdom, and plants like Paud arco are taking center stage. People are hungry for alternatives that can help them feel better, think clearer, and live longer. The million-dollar question is, can Paud arco deliver? With the rise of chronic diseases, our immune systems are under constant attack. We're facing an epidemic of autoimmunity, and our bodies are crying out for balance and harmony. Conventional medicine often treats symptoms rather than addressing the root cause, leaving us stuck in a vicious cycle of prescriptions and side effects. It's a ticking time bomb, and people are desperate for a solution. That's where Paud arco comes in. This incredible plant has been shown to have potent anti-inflammatory properties, capable of calming the flames of inflammation and restoring balance to our bodies. Our world is a breeding ground for fungal infections, and the rise of antibiotic-resistant superbugs has left us vulnerable to a whole host of diseases. We need something that can not only kill fungus, but also boost our immune system. Paud arco has been shown to have powerful antifungal properties, making it a game-changer in the fight against disease. Whether it's candida, ringworm, or athlete's foot, Paud arco has the potential to be a natural solution. But don't just take my word for it. Studies have shown that Paud arco can increase the production of white blood cells, giving our immune system the boost it needs to fight off infection. It's no wonder this plant has been used for centuries to treat everything from the common cold to deadly diseases like cancer. The science is clear. Paud arco is a powerhouse of natural medicine. I want to share with you an incredible story of transformation. Sarah was diagnosed with autoimmune thyroiditis, and her health was in a downward spiral. She was tired, fatigued, and her hair was falling out in clumps. After years of conventional treatment, she stumbled upon Paud arco and decided to give it a try. Within weeks, her energy levels skyrocketed, her hair began to grow back, and her thyroid function began to normalize. It was as if her body had been given a second chance at life. This is just one of countless testimonials that demonstrate the incredible healing potential of Paud arco. Let me tell you, after diving deep into the world of Paud arco, I am blown away by its incredible potential. From its anti-inflammatory properties to its immune-boosting powers, this plant is a natural remedy that can make a real difference in people's lives. Whether you're struggling with chronic illness, fungal infections, or simply looking for a natural way to boost your immunity, Paud arco is definitely worth considering. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the amazing world of Paud arco. I'd love to hear from you. Have you tried Paud arco before? What were your experiences like? Share your stories, questions, or comments in the section below, and don't forget to check out our next video on the incredible powers of herbal remedies.